Glasshield, we're totally committed to helping you get your team back to work safely, whilst protecting you, your team and your clients. How do we do that? Through our simple 3-step process, where we disinfect, protect and then monitor your building against viruses and bacteria. Let me show you how it works. Once our team arrive, don their protective clothing and prepare everything they need to do their work, we get on with the job. Starting with the outside of the premises, we treat all areas likely to be touched during normal day-to-day activity using Bacoban, a cleaning product that contains a biocide which allows us to disinfect areas as we clean them. Once we've treated the outside areas, we can move indoors, cleaning and disinfecting everything as we go, but especially those high traffic, high contact areas like water fountains, tables, desks and door handles. Of course, disinfection takes place during the cleaning process, which covers step 1, disinfection. The great thing about Bacoban is that the biocide remains active on surfaces for up to 10 days, which provides step 2 in the process, long-term protection against viruses and bacteria. And just to be on the safe side, we recommend weekly treatment in addition to your normal daily cleaning routine. Step 3 is monitoring your building, which is done using the Hygiena UltraSnap ATP surface testing swabs. These pre-moistened swab buds are used to collect samples from various predetermined places around your premises. We then test the samples using the handheld Hygiena Ensure Touch that measures the presence of ATP. Test results are expressed in relative light units, or RLUs, and the higher the RLU, the greater the presence of unwanted viruses and bacteria. And just in case you weren't aware, ATP is the energy molecule that's present in all living cells, including viruses and bacteria. So that's it. 3 simple steps: disinfect, protect and monitor.